This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Can you install a windshield by yourself? Many car owners contemplate this question when faced with a cracked or damaged windshield that needs replacement. The idea of tackling such a task can be daunting, but with the right guidance and tools, it may be a feasible DIY project. In this video, we will delve into the process of windshield installation, breaking down the steps and highlighting the key considerations to keep in mind. From understanding the tools required to the importance of proper installation techniques, we aim to equip you with the knowledge needed to decide whether you can take on this project yourself. We will address common challenges that DIY enthusiasts may encounter during windshield installation, offering practical tips and insights to help you navigate through the process seamlessly. Whether you're looking to save costs or simply enjoy working on your car, installing a windshield can be a rewarding endeavor with the right approach and preparation. Understanding windshield installation. When it comes to understanding windshield installation, involves the process of fitting a new windshield onto a vehicle. Proper installation is crucial for the structural integrity of the car and the safety of its occupants. It goes beyond just placing the windshield in the frame. It requires precision and expertise to ensure a secure fit that can withstand various driving conditions. What is windshield installation? Windshield installation is the procedure of replacing or fitting a new windshield onto a vehicle. It involves removing the old windshield, preparing the frame, applying adhesive, and carefully placing the new windshield. This process is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of the vehicle and ensuring the safety of the driver and passengers. Types of windshield installation. There are two primary types of windshield installation. OEM installation. Original equipment manufacturer, OEM. Installation involves using windshields made by the same manufacturer as the original windshield. These windshields are designed to meet the specific requirements of the vehicle. Aftermarket installation. Aftermarket installation involves using windshields produced by third-party manufacturers. While these windshields may be more affordable, they may not always meet the exact specifications of the vehicle. Why proper installation matters. Proper windshield installation is essential for several reasons. Safety. A properly installed windshield provides structural support to the vehicle and protects occupants in the event of a collision. Prevention of leaks. Improper installation can lead to water leaks, which can damage the interior of the vehicle and compromise its safety features. Visibility. A well-installed windshield ensures optimal visibility for the driver, reducing the risk of accidents. Durability. Proper installation ensures that the windshield stays securely in place, even under harsh driving conditions. By understanding the importance of windshield installation and the different types available, you can make an informed decision when it comes to replacing or installing a new windshield on your vehicle. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when it comes to maintaining your car's windshield. Versus professional installation. When it comes to installing a windshield, you may be considering whether to tackle the job yourself or leave it to the professionals. Let's explore the differences between a DIY windshield installation and opting for professional services. DIY windshield installation. Taking on a DIY windshield installation can be a tempting option for those who are handy with tools and enjoy a challenge. However, it's crucial to consider the complexity of the task. Installing a windshield involves precision and expertise to ensure a proper fit and seal. You'll need the right tools, materials, and a good understanding of the process to avoid costly mistakes. Pros of DIY windshield installation. Cost savings by not paying for professional labor. Sense of accomplishment from completing a challenging task. Flexibility to work on your schedule. Cons of DIY windshield installation. Risk of improper installation leading to safety hazards. Lack of warranty or guarantees on the work done. Potential for damage to the vehicle if not done correctly. Benefits of professional installation. Opting for professional windshield installation may come with a higher price tag, but it offers several advantages that can outweigh the cost. Professional installers have the experience, training, and tools needed to ensure a flawless installation that meets industry standards. Pros of professional installation. Expertise and precision in installation for optimal safety. Warranty coverage on labor and materials for added peace of mind. Time-saving convenience with efficient installation processes. In closing, while a DIY windshield installation may seem like a cost-effective option, it's essential to weigh the risks and benefits carefully. Professional installation guarantees quality workmanship and provides long-term assurance of your safety on the road. As we conclude the first part of our two-part series on windshield installation, we hope you've gained valuable insights and practical tips for a successful DIY installation. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve deeper into the benefits of professional windshield installation and discuss when it's best to seek professional help. Until then, may you continue to explore, learn, and make informed decisions about your car's maintenance and repairs. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.